Can we please just find a way out?
Oh, I did. For me. See you later, sucker. Ha ha! This is not my day.
You ran their plates? Did you get an address? Did you get an address?
It doesn't matter. You are going back to the
If I
station.
go back to the station, I am never getting my life back!
We're not gonna talk about it anymore.
We gotta move.
Why? Shh.
Now.
Okay. Where is Morris? Morris! Oh boy, come up
What
here,
is this?
please.
Just
Where
keep
are
going.
you? Come on. Today, my little Morris is no longer a cub. Today, he becomes...
A big bear.
That is right. A big bear.
Is this a taming party?
With this collar, Zootopia welcomes you.
With this collar, Zootopia welcomes me.
With this collar, Zootopia celebrates you.
With this collar, Zootopia celebrates me.
With this collar, Zootopia accepts you.
With this collar, Zootopia accepts me. What's wrong, Papa?
Nothing. Papa is just happy for you.
Thank you, Papa.
Morris.
Morris! Go.